How to hide YouTube Shorts on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide YouTube Shorts on mobile. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings menu, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you can simply search and tap on this option that says time management. And now from time management, you can simply scroll down and find the option called Shorts Feed Limit. So here, once you have found that option, what you can do is you can simply toggle on this option, and from the pop-up menu, you can just tap and set the limit to 0 minute. And here, once you enable the settings, you won't be able to scroll shorts. Now with that, you can go back to the YouTube home screen and refresh your page by pulling down. And you can always come back and change the settings later if you want to allow shorts again and set a daily limit for it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.